What does profit actually mean in a small business? It's one of the most commonly used numbers, but one of the most misunderstood figures. In the previous video, we looked at how to tell whether the business is actually making money and why no single number actually tells the full story. And profit is one of the first numbers that people look at when they're seeking certainty. So in this video, I want to look at profit specifically and explain what it does tell you, but also importantly, tell you what it doesn't say. At its core, profit is an accounting concept. It compares income earned against expenses over a period of time. And that makes it very useful, but it still is a limited number. Profit is shaped by timing, accounting rules, and how things are classified. So it tells you things such as when you earned revenue, when expenses became due, and how you classified certain transactions, which tells you how the business performed on paper over a period of time. What it does not tell you is how the business feels when you're operating it from a day-to-day perspective. This is where most frustration comes from, because profit doesn't show you if you're being underpaid as the owner, whether you're postponing reinvestment into the business, or if cash timing is creating stress in the business, or if profit depends on a one-off event or a number of one-off events such that you can look profitable on paper, but you're still on edge. That's not a contradiction. It's simply profit doing the job it was designed to do and not the jobs it was never meant to do. A business can be profitable, but still fragile. So profit is useful, but just not in isolation. So profit is going to be useful in helping you understand the trends in your business. You can compare trends, periods from month to month, from quarter to quarter, or from year to year. And when you look at those figures comparatively, you can understand if your business is tracking upwards or if it's tracking downwards. Profit becomes misleading when it's used as a proxy for cash. When you look at your profit figure and expect to see that in your bank balance, or if you use profit as a way to make major decisions. So decisions around big purchases or getting loans, if you're using just your profit, it can be misleading. Understand that profit is just a signal. It's not a verdict. It's not the verdict that the business is healthy. It's a signal that you use along with other signals to understand your business's performance. So a healthy way to think about profit is when you look at your profit figures, it should raise questions for your business. You should become curious about what's going on rather than give you reassurance or scare you. So when your profit goes up, the right response is not confidence. It's asking the questions, what happened? How did that increase? How did our profits increase? Where did the profit come from? In practice, the businesses that struggle the most are the ones that rely heavily on profit or solely on profit as a measure of the health of the business. Profit is used as proof that everything is fine instead of looking underneath it. If profit has been the main way you've been using to tell if your business has been making money, I would strongly recommend watching the video on how to tell if your business is actually making money. That video puts profit in the right context inside the bigger picture. So there's one more place that business owners go to look for certainty, and that's their bank balance. And if you don't understand why your bank balance can be just as misleading as your profit, you will keep feeling confused no matter how good the numbers look. And we're going to tackle that in the next video.